Hello, AI-powered investing geniuses. Welcome back to TechMoneyAI, your go-to channel for everything at the intersection of technology and investing. Today, we're exploring an exciting and transformative topic: how AI-powered sentiment analysis is shaping the future of financial decision-making and redefining investment strategies. Have you ever wondered how platforms like Twitter, Reddit, or even financial news can impact the stock market? Well, today, we'll show you how AI tools analyze millions of opinions online to predict market trends and help you invest smarter. Please stay until the end of this video, because we're not just breaking down how this works, we're also exploring two powerful tools, Sentifi and BuzzIndex, and showing you how to use them effectively. Pros and cons, too. Before we dive any deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you'll never miss out on the latest tips, tools, and strategies that can take your financial knowledge and investments to the next level. Invest better with the power of AI. All right, let's get started. So, let's start answering the basic question. What is sentiment analysis? Well, sentiment analysis is when AI reads through millions of posts, comments, articles, and tweets to figure out whether the public sentiment, or mood, is positive, negative, or neutral. In finance, this data is pure gold because public perception can often predict market movements. Imagine this. A company announces a new product, and social media explodes with positive comments. That buzz could drive the stock price up. On the flip side, if there's a scandal, AI can catch the rising negativity before it impacts the stock price. This is why sentiment analysis is such a game changer in financial decisions. Here's why sentiment analysis matters. It is important. Markets aren't just driven by numbers. They're influenced by emotions, opinions, and even rumors. Think about the last time a CEO tweeted something controversial or a company trended on Reddit. Those events can move markets faster than you can blink. AI helps us keep up by analyzing these massive waves of data in real time. Early detection of trends. AI can catch shifts in sentiment before they show up in the stock price. Risk management. Negative sentiment alerts can help you avoid losses. Efficiency. AI processes more data in seconds than a human could in weeks. Sentiment analysis isn't just for experts. With the right tools, even beginners can use it to make smarter decisions. Now, let's talk about how AI works in sentiment analysis. It's pretty cool. Data collection. AI gathers data from social media, news websites, blogs, and even financial forums. This includes millions of tweets, Reddit posts, and articles, all in real time. Text processing. Next, it breaks down the text to identify keywords, phrases, and context. For example, words like growth, profit, or success are flagged as positive, while loss, crisis, or scandal are flagged as negative. Sentiment scoring. Each piece of content gets a sentiment score. The AI aggregates these scores to provide an overall sentiment for a stock, sector, or the entire market. Trend analysis. Finally, the AI identifies patterns and trends, showing whether public sentiment is improving or declining. It's like having an always-on assistant that monitors everything happening in the financial world. Sounds amazing, right? But how do you actually use it? That's where tools like Sentifi and BuzzIndex come in. Let's start with Sentifi, one of the most popular AI-based sentiment analysis tools for finance. Sentifi focuses on analyzing public sentiment about stocks, sectors, and even entire markets. Here's how it works. Real-time sentiment dashboard. It gives you a live sentiment score for stocks, showing whether opinions are trending positive or negative. Risk alerts. If negative sentiment spikes, Sentifi sends you an alert, helping you avoid risky investments. Influencer tracking. It identifies key voices driving public opinion about a company or sector. Say you're considering investing in Tesla. Sentifi tracks how people feel about the company in real time. If sentiment suddenly drops due to negative news, you'll know to proceed with caution. Easy-to-read dashboards. Great for monitoring sentiment across multiple stocks or sectors. Alerts to help manage risk. Monthly fees may be high for casual investors. Learning curve for beginners. Next up, we have BuzzIndex. This tool specializes in analyzing social media buzz around stocks and sectors, making it perfect for spotting trends early. It tracks discussions on platforms like Twitter and Reddit to gauge investor sentiment. Stocks are ranked based on how much buzz they're generating and whether that buzz is positive or negative. BuzzIndex highlights stocks that are gaining traction or losing favor with the public. Let's say a small tech stock starts trending on Reddit. BuzzIndex identifies this surge in buzz and flags it as a potential investment opportunity before it hits the mainstream. Excellent for tracking social media-driven trends. Provides a unique perspective on smaller, under-the-radar stocks. Less comprehensive than Sentifi for overall market sentiment. May require additional analysis for accurate decision-making. So, which tool is right for you? If you're looking for a comprehensive sentiment analysis platform, Sentifi is a great choice. If you want to stay ahead of social media trends, BuzzIndex is your go-to. Either way, these tools can help you make smarter financial decisions, but only if you avoid some common mistakes. Over-relying on AI, always double-check with your own research. Ignoring risk, negative sentiment can be a red flag. Chasing trends. Don't get caught up in hype without understanding the fundamentals. Alright, there you have it. Everything you need to know about AI-based sentiment analysis in finance. If you're ready to take your investing game to the next level, start exploring tools like Sentifi and BuzzIndex today. And remember, these tools work best when combined with your own research and a solid strategy. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights on how to invest smarter with AI, hit that subscribe button and join the TechMoneyAI family. And don't forget, invest better with the power of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.